To create multiple websites on a WordPress site hosted with Hostinger, you can use either multiple WordPress installations or WordPress multi-site. Here's how to do both. Multiple WordPress installations. This is the simpler approach where you install WordPress separately for each website. Log into Hostinger. Access your Hostinger account and go to hPanel. Create add-on domains. Under Domains, select Add-on Domains. Here, add the domains for each website you want to create. Install WordPress. For each add-on domain, use the auto installer in hPanel. Select WordPress, fill in the necessary details, and install WordPress for each domain. Repeat for each domain. Install WordPress for every additional domain you want to host. Now, each domain will have its own independent WordPress installation. WordPress multi-site. If you want to manage multiple sites from a single WordPress dashboard. Install WordPress. Install WordPress as usual. Enable multi-site. Edit the wp-config.php file and add the line. Configure multi-site. Follow the prompts in the WordPress dashboard to set up the network. Create sites. You can now add multiple websites within the same WordPress installation. Using either method, Hostinger allows you to create and manage multiple WordPress websites easily.